Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 45 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to talk about how do you use object style inside of Adobe InDesign. So I have imported three pictures right here, and over here you can see that you got something called object style. So what you can do is you can click on new and you can right click on it, you can go to edit and object style is there. But the easier way to do it is something what I actually prefer is to apply styles right here. So something like I'm gonna add and drop shadow to it, and maybe I'm gonna increase its stroke size, something like this, and I'm gonna increase the stroke size over there. You can see that there's the stroke right here, and that is what object styles are. So also I want to add in some effects like basic feathering right there. Alright, so let me just add in and I'm gonna preview to this. You can see that there's the basic feathering right there, and that's what the object styles are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this out and I'm gonna create new, and you can see that I have my object style. So if I were to go to here and go to edit object style, you can see that everything is being applied. So you can see that the stroke and corner is being applied over here. So you can select the particular corner right here, and I can enjoy all of this. So you can see that basic feathering and everything, all the properties have been taken down as a sample from this right here. So you can see that there's text frame auto size options. So auto sizing will be hidden with itself. So I'm gonna actually add in the auto sizing as well. So I'm just gonna press preview and over here you can press OK. So I'm gonna select another one and just go to object style. You can see that that is being applied right there. So you can see that the object style now actually gets applied quite easily right there. So you can see that you can create any style. So you can go edit, let's say edit the object style over here. You can also apply paragraph styles onto it. So I'm going to add in and let's say for example an inner glow over there as well. Inner glow. Alright, so I'm going to preview this out, and inside of inner glow I want to increase, let's say for example, the size, and you can see that the inner glow is being applied, and press OK, and it actually gets applied to all of it, as you can see. So without me having to do anything else onto the other objects, these have been applied just like that. So that is how the object styles work inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.